Hey, how's it going, guys? And welcome back to another Stock Kings YouTube video. And today we'll be discussing Dogecoin. And Dogecoin has been absolutely killing it in the past couple of weeks. And just congratulations to anyone holding Dogecoin, because your funds are looking absolutely phenomenal at the moment. But for right now, we do have some news to update on you guys on Dogecoin. We have another billionaire saying some pretty positive things about Dogecoin that is, not Mark Cuban or Elon Musk. So that's very good news for Dogecoin. We'll also be going into how Dogecoin is worth more than a huge company that we have definitely all seen before. So we'll be getting into all of the details on that and how that is also very positive news for Dogecoin. And then we'll also be going into how there is a petition to get Dogecoin used on Amazon, so you guys can actually buy things on Amazon using Dogecoin. And that is super bullish for Dogecoin, because if you can actually purchase real life products with Dogecoin, that will only increase the value of your Dogecoin. But before we get into any of that information, if you guys do enjoy this content, go ahead and drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel for more stocks, trading, and crypto content. Also, turn on post notifications so you know whenever we do come out with new videos. But also, down in the description, I have my totally free to use Discord server, and this is a Discord all about stocks, trading, crypto, all of those things that you guys might enjoy. So if you have any interest in those things, go ahead, join the community using the link down below. But also, in the description, I have my Webull link, where if you sign up, put in $100, you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800, guys. And I get some free stocks with that as well. So if you want to help out supporting this channel as well as getting some free money for yourselves, go ahead, use that link down below. But with all of that being said, let's get right into this video. Alright guys, let's get into some technical analysis and kind of go over some of the recent price action that we've seen on Dogecoin to help you guys better trade Dogecoin and kind of predict where we see Dogecoin headed in the future. So as we can see, Dogecoin has had some massive runs up, coming all the way to a peak at around 68 cents to around 69 cents. And now we're just kind of consolidating in this area right here. And just to let you guys know, we are on the hourly chart of Dogecoin on TradingView. I do all my technical analysis on TradingView for those of you who are not aware. But something else to note is that we kind of just followed the 50 EMA line up during this huge run up. As you can see here, we kind of ran up, consolidated, and then we had this big run down, tested the 50 EMA, kind of had our big run up, a little bit consolidation, big run up, and then when we come down, we do come down, test the 50 EMA to come back up again. However, in the most recent price action, we have actually broken now below the 50 EMA, and now we are using this as a bit of a resistance line instead of using it as support. So as we came up, we continued to use this as a line of support, but now you can see this using it as a line of resistance. So we can see we tested it as a resistance multiple times. We even wicked up and then came back down. So this is now a line of a resistance for us as price continues to move. But what we have seen in the past price action, that every time this does kind of consolidate, we then still get a massive run up. So on our hourly chart, I would like to note as this as a kind of resistance line right around here at around 61 cents. So this will be our kind of area of resistance, our key area of resistance that we'll be looking to break to kind of then retest our previous highs, which would be right around here at around 65 cents. So this is kind of the area that we want to break into right around here to test this 65 cent resistance. But as an area of support, what we're looking at right now is right here at around 57 cents, around very close to 58 cents. As you can see, we have tested this support multiple times, even wicked down below it to come back up and then respect this line of support. So very strong area of support in this area. However, we have wicked down into this area. So I will put a support line right around here as well. If we do continue to come down and break into this area, this is the next key area of support that we'll be looking to then trade down into. But this is the kind of the area that we are currently in, and we are hoping that we continue to reject off the support to then come up and then break the resistance at 61 cents. And once we do that, it will be a line of support for us at that time. So then we can use this to continue to bounce up, and test this resistance here at 65 cents. So that is what I am looking at on the technical side of Dogecoin and where I see the price headed in the future. Okay guys, and let's actually get into some good positive news about Dogecoin. So coming over here, we can see Dogecoin rally is a middle finger to the financial system, says crypto bull Mike Novogratz. And Mike Novogratz was the billionaire that I was talking to you guys about earlier, and him saying that it's a middle finger to the traditional financial system is pretty funny in my opinion. But it's hard to have anything bad to say about Dogecoin when it has gains of 13,000% year to date and a market cap of roughly $78 billion, guys. That is absolutely huge. And for the people that are holding Dogecoin, they are making massive gains. Now, if we come down here a little bit further, we can get my favorite quote from Mike Novogratz, where he says, "It would be very dangerous to be short. I'll tell you that much." So basically what he's saying is that the haters of Dogecoin, the people who are shorting Dogecoin, are very much hurting. Now, he does have some concerns with the long-term side of Dogecoin, but we'll be, getting into some points a little later in the video that actually disagree with, the sustainability of Dogecoin being an issue. But this article also continues to say that these spikes from Dogecoin are happening in advance of Elon Musk's scheduled appearance on host NBC's Saturday Night Live. And he even tweeted down here, you can see the Doge Father, SNL May 8th. So with all of these, celebrities and people discussing Dogecoin, it has pumped it up even further. And once Elon Musk discusses Dogecoin on SNL on the 8th, we will see massive gains of Dogecoin. I can predict that for you guys, because every time Elon Musk does say something about Dogecoin, it spikes up massively. Before we go any further in the video, I do want to point out something to you guys, that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything I do and say on this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only. So please do your own due diligence and trade based off of your own opinions. But something else I wanted to get into as well is if we come over here, we can see that Dogecoin is now worth more than General Motors as cryptocurrency skyrockets. And we know how big GM actually is. This is a huge car manufacturer. And now that Dogecoin's market cap value is larger than GM's, you can just see how popular this, meme cryptocurrency, this altcoin, has really become. And I am super bullish on Dogecoin, guys. I really do believe in this. And this just, backs that opinion that, this is now bigger than one of the biggest car manufacturers in the world. So this is very positive news for Dogecoin in my opinion. But in other Dogecoin news, if we do come over here, we can actually see the petition Doge for Amazon, which is a petition for accepting Dogecoin as a payment method on Amazon. And you can see here that 218,000 people have already signed this, and they are trying to get this to 300,000. So currently, Dogecoin is not an accepted payment method on Amazon, but if it gets enough buzz and, enough people from Amazon actually see this, they could, take a look at this and say, maybe we do need to get some cryptocurrency payment methods on our site. And that will kind of give some utility as well to a lot of these cryptocurrencies, because you can actually, use them to pay for more things, and allows you to use them in real life as, a payment method to get items off of things like Amazon. So I think that is very positive news for Dogecoin, and I think this could be a potential catalyst for the, the value of Dogecoin as well. So if we do come over here as well, we can see that Gemini lists Dogecoin, sending price to new highs. So this is another exchange that has now allowed Dogecoin to be bought and sold on their site. So I think that is positive news as well. So every time another exchange puts Dogecoin on their exchange, it sends the price of Dogecoin up extensively. So I think that is something that we need to keep looking on in the future, as well as more exchanges start to list Dogecoin on their site. And one of the biggest exchanges in the world, being Coinbase, does not have Dogecoin. So I think if we get Coinbase to put Dogecoin on their exchange as well, that would be a huge potential catalyst for Dogecoin as well. So these are a lot of the news and things going on with Dogecoin. But let me know down in the comments, what do you see as Dogecoin in the future? Do you see it being long-term and sustainable? Because with a lot of these things, like it being on more exchanges, and the possibility of us using it on Amazon to buy it and sell things on Amazon, I think that gives it some more long-term sustainability. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. Do you see long-term sustainability of Dogecoin? But that is all the information that I had for you guys today on Dogecoin. If you enjoyed this video and you found some value in it, go ahead and drop a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel for more stocks, investing, and crypto content. Also, turn on post notifications so you know whenever we do come out with new videos. And like I said before, I have my totally free to use Discord server linked down below if you'd be interested in that. And I also have my Webull link down below where if you sign up, put in $100, you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $100. So if you're interested in that as well, use that link down in the description. But as always, guys, I hope you have an excellent day, get some gains in the market, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.